Good morning, watching News X. I'm Rishabh Gulati. After a couple of days of such unhappy things that have happened, thankfully, there's better news to report this morning from what is taking place in the national capital. Ladies and gentlemen, a lot of things have happened. And let's begin with one of the most important ones. Activist Sonam Wangchuk, who was, as you remember, on that hunger strike for the past 26 days. Well, that hunger strike ended late last night. Those are the visuals on your screens of quite literally breaking fast with two union ministers, Dr. Jitendra Singh and JP Nadda, present along with the team of doctors and family members. And you can see Sonam Wangchuk taking his sip of water to break his fast. Now, this was an important thing to happen because the end goal was what? The end goal was to try to find resolutions, try to find solutions as Team India. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, in a late night video message, remember, also posted on his X and Instagram accounts, promising that the government would discuss the NEET paper leaks in the Friday cabinet meeting, and a new law is to be brought as early in Parliament as Monday. He said, quote unquote, more strict action against paper leaks to come in the cabinet meeting. PM Modi said in his post. You can listen in.
के लिए फ्रेंड्स, मैं जानता हूं कि पेपर लीक ये कोई मामूली विषय नहीं है। लाखों विद्यार्थी और उनके अभिभावकों के लिए बहुत ही पीड़ादायक है और इसलिए पेपर लीक घटना से अब तक पिछले 2.5 महीनों में अनेक विध कदम उठाए गए, गुनहगारों को पकड़ा गया है, वे जेल में पड़े हैं। हमारा सबसे महत्वपूर्ण जिम्मा था कि विद्यार्थियों का 1 वर्ष बर्बाद न हो। तत्काल परीक्षाएं लेना बहुत जरूरी था। सरकार ने अभी पूरी शक्ति का उपयोग करके कम से कम समय में 22 लाख जितने विद्यार्थियों के एग्जाम हो जाएं, इसका प्रबंध किया। और अभी 5-6 दिन पहले 19 तारीख को रिजल्ट भी आ गया और देश भर में उत्तीर्ण हो गए विद्यार्थियों की खुशियों की खबरें भी आ रही हैं। लेकिन हम वहां पर संतोष मानने वाले लोगों में से नहीं है और इसलिए मैंने आज फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट के लिए विभागों को निर्देश दिए थे। आज विभागों ने लगातार मेहनत करके देर रात मुझे मुसद्दा भी दे दिया। फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट और कठोर सजा के प्रावधान के साथ का ये मुसद्दा कल कैबिनेट में चर्चा होगी। कैबिनेट के साथियों के सुझाव के बाद उसका अंतिम रूप दिया जाएगा और सोमवार से संसद का दूसरा सप्ताह शुरू हो रहा है। तब जल्द से जल्द उस बिल को
Okay, all right. So, Monday is what the Prime Minister has said. Today is Friday. The cabinet meeting is now going to clear the bill. The bill has been prepared pretty much within 24 to 36 hours. The bill will be presented before Parliament on Monday. Expectedly, hopefully, it clears on the same day. And within this ambit, two of the secretaries in the Ministry of Education have also been changed overnight. That's the Education Secretary and the Higher Education Secretary. Meanwhile, at Jantar Mantar, where Deepke and his team have been protesting, they have published a late night message that their protest as of now continues. My colleague Brian Thomas has been tracking this, of course, for the past several days. Brian, good morning. It's been unhappy things in the past few days. Who wants to see either lathi charge, water cannon, tear gas happening? In the end, we are all Team India trying to meet the same ends and goals together. We know that the protest is not yet over. What is happening on the ground that you can update us on?
Rishabh, clearly we are at the very Tolstoy mark. Now, this is the very location where, day before yesterday, the major protest took place. There were clashes also reported. Let me show you the vision. We can still see the barricades on place. Some barricades have been falling because yesterday also, even though it was not very intense, but still there was some scuffle that was seen. You could see that the gate number 2 of the Jantar is also there now. Here are also many metro stations, 16 metro stations have been closed in around the central Delhi. You can see we are at an elevation point, so you can see the fact that there is police briefing going on, and since this is early hours also, but still you could see CRPF deployment, and here also when you go inside, this is the very Jantar Mantar, which is 3 minutes away from where we are standing at this point of time. Even now, there have been jammers that have been put in place, so that is why we are not going inside for some network issues to happen. But here you can see there is still heavy barricading that is being done at this very place. That is why there is another deployment of the mobile control command unit also that has been deployed since day before yesterday by the Delhi police officials. Let me show you. You can see riot control vehicles also being deployed. So Delhi police officials, in case there is some unruly activity, that if it happens, then they are also deployed here. Apart from that, these are 2 riot control vehicles being deployed at the very Tolstoy mark where we are reporting from. And here you can see there is a temporary kiosk has been made to give out any important messaging. If there is an intense crowd that is there, so they will be also putting out messages. Their speakers also being deployed. Apart from that, here are some kiosks being made, metal detectors have been made to ensure that there is checking being done. So that is what we are trying to show you here from the very Tolstoy mark. And this is the very entry. Now, since it's early morning, the entry is open, but after a certain time, by 9 a.m. or 10 a.m., they close this entire barricade and the vehicular movement gets completely restricted. Apart from that, what you see is there are many protesters who are still in the middle of the road. They are still there. They are still protesting. They still have the demands, because even Abhijit Deepke, the founder of the Cockroach Janata Party, clearly stated that they would not be rather stopping the protest, and they even planned for something big today. That a statement also was given yesterday that they would be going for a peaceful protest.
Brian, so there is supposed to be a meeting. Let's hang a second, stay with me, because there's an important meeting coming up in just a few hours at 1:30.